Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, your guide on this journey towards a resilient and fulfilling life through the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. Today, we're diving into a powerful lesson from one of the foundational texts of Stoic philosophy, the teachings of Epictetus from the Enchiridion. This lesson is all about understanding what's within our control and what's not, a core principle of Stoicism, and how this wisdom can transform how we navigate life's challenges. Epictetus starts by drawing a clear line between elements we can control and those we cannot. He says, among existing things, some are within our power, others are not. Within our power are opinion, pursuit, desire, aversion, in a word, everything that is our own. Beyond our power are our body, property, reputation, public office, in a word, everything that is not ours. Essentially, this means that the only true control we have is over our own thoughts and actions. Everything else, including other people's actions, our status, and even our own body, falls outside of our true control. Now, why is this distinction so incredibly powerful? Imagine waking up and accepting that many aspects of your day are beyond your control. It's a daunting thought at first, right? But here's the liberating part. While we can't control these external events, we have complete control over how we interpret and respond to them. Epictetus explains that what is within our power is naturally free, unrestricted. What is beyond our power is weak, servile, burdensome, and alien. This understanding shifts our focus from trying to control the uncontrollable to mastering our own mind and reactions. Let's make this practical. Suppose you face a setback at work. Perhaps a project doesn't go as planned, or you receive criticism from a colleague. It's easy to feel frustrated and blame external factors. But remember, you can't control those external events. What you can control is your response. You can choose to see this setback as a learning opportunity, a chance to grow and improve. Epictetus's wisdom encourages us to internalize our focus. Today, you will not externally control events as they unfold. Scary? Yes, a little. But fear will be balanced by the understanding that we can control our opinion about these events. This means you have the power to decide whether an event is good or bad, just or unjust. It's your interpretation that counts, not the event itself. Think about this in terms of modern life. With the constant barrage of news, social media, and other external influences, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But by applying Stoic principles, you can create a mental shield against these disturbances. Recognize that these external stimuli are outside your control. What remains within your control is your reaction, your thoughts, your emotions, your internal dialogue. This realization is incredibly empowering. Let's lighten the mood with a personal story. There was a time when I found myself obsessively checking my phone, constantly reacting to every notification. It strained my peace of mind and distracted me from my goals. By embracing Stoicism, I learned to filter out what I couldn't control, the incessant flow of information, and focus on what I could, my own responses and priorities. This shift not only brought me inner calm, but also heightened my productivity and sense of fulfillment. As you go through your day, embrace the practice of turning inward. Remember, the external world is beyond your grasp, but your inner world is entirely your domain. Do you see how this works? Everything outside your control, the external world, other people, luck, karma, anything, represents an area you do control. This alone gives us enormous power and the ability to govern. To wrap up, here's a Stoic challenge for you. Identify one situation today where you typically feel stressed or anxious. Reflect on what aspects of that situation are within your control and which are not. Then, consciously choose to focus only on your response. Try it, and you'll discover how this simple practice can foster resilience and peace. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, Stoicism isn't just a philosophy, it's a way of life. Embrace it, practice it, and watch how it transforms your experience of the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on living a Stoic life. Until next time, stay resilient and serene.